guys, so now you're basically up to date with everything. Got all the walls painted, everything's dried, and we got everything in the right corners of where we need it to be. Now the little corner there that I've added was basically the Ikea lac shelves. I've used these a bunch of times, especially in my previous video, but these are the really mini ones. Putting these up was a struggle. I watched Diana, DIY Diana on YouTube. I watched her video and she was saying how putting these ones up, they kept leaning and falling down. I didn't understand until I got them. So what it is that these shelves are built differently to the lac ones, so they're just really hard to put against the wall. So what I did, I brought these mini brackets. They're called brackets. I got them for 90p on Wix, and then I got the shelves from Ikea for £5 and literally drilled these two on, and then drilled, you can drill that part against the wall, which is basically what I did there. And yeah, now it's time for the fun part. I'm gonna decorate, make everything look cute but practical, because that's the main thing. My room before was really cute but it wasn't practical. There was no space for anything. Getting these shelves in has made such a big difference. Having space on top to put boxes where I can store things, such a big difference. So let's go ahead and start decorating. In Ikea, they're so cute and they're really strong. Yeah, this one's good because this one's a primer and a paint. So if I'm taking it from black, you need to prime it first, but this one says that it comes with like a built-in primer, and you can use this one on wood, metallics, plastic and more. I'ma get to work. Thank you guys for watching the completion of my room. This is so much practical. I have these two extra drawers that are going to help so much store makeup. I've got these little baskets everywhere now to like help, and as time goes by I'm going to insert more baskets just to create more storage, because obviously the more stuff I get I'm going to need places to put them. So I feel like this is just way more practical. There's way more space and it's a nice little area to like check out my outfit, whatever I'm wearing. I got like the long mirror here now to help out with that, so I'm so grateful for this. I prefer this setup so much more. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't seen the wardrobe bit there, if you haven't seen my walk-in wardrobe video, it's literally exactly the same. The only thing I've added now is a store. My bed area, however, I do want to do like a cute mural, fairy lights, pictures, and use that as a backdrop. So make sure you subscribe if you guys want to see how like I decorate that. The situation over this part of the room, but I am going to decorate this wall because it's just a big plain wall at the moment, and I want to be able to sit on my bed and record videos for you guys. So I'm going to like decorate it really cute and stuff. Also, Vicky just moved into her new room, so she needs to decorate that, and that's like what I'm working on right now. It's so cute. Her theme is like grey, white and purple, and that's so much fun. But yeah, so make sure you subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Yeah, I love you guys and leave you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.